Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. I'm super excited today because I wanted to come on here and I wanted to show you an item that I got recently, and I bought it from DHgate. I absolutely love DHgate, and I've been using DHgate for a while now, for a good number of years, and the item that I bought has come today in the mail and I wanted to show you what it is. And that item is a pair of trainers, sneakers, and it is the sneaker that has the world famous red sole, and that brand, ladies and gentlemen, is Christian Louboutin. Now, I've always wanted a pair, and what I bought is, I bought two. I bought one pair in black and one pair in white. Now, I bought it from the same seller, and the white pair has come first. So I'm still waiting for the black pair to come. And they are called the Christian Louboutin Junior in the normal leather. You can get them in different variations. You can get them in with the spikes all over them. But I chose the plain leather ones. Now, so this is the box that it comes in, like, and as you can see, the box is not very good because I don't know, like, it must have, as they're in transit, it was in transit for like 6 days, so I think it must have, you know, must have banged on something, or I don't know how it was handled. But yeah, so the box isn't all that, but that's fine. But as you can see, it says Christian Louboutin, Paris. Now that's the side of it, shows you all the information. Now this is a European size 44, and that's a United Kingdom size 9, and that's a United States size 10. So let's open this up. Now it comes in this lovely soft dust bag. Feels very nice, it feels very soft. Christian Louboutin Paris in lovely red writing there. Amazing. It has an authenticity card. It's saying we certify authenticity of this item and confirm that it has been subject to the most exciting quality control. Its high quality is a symbol of the fine reputation of the trademark. Now, let's take it out. I'll take one out to show you. And the other one. There we go. And there. Now you can see them in all their glory. There you go. And yep, they're called the Junior. And they are in pure leather in white. And as I said, I've ordered the black pair of these two, so I'm just waiting on the black pair to come too. Black pair should be coming probably in the next 2-3 days time. So when I get the black pair, I'll be doing another unboxing. Okay, let's show you around the shoe. Okay, right, put the lace in. Okay, now first things first, I am a size 9, United Kingdom, and they fit true to size, and they're not tight, they're not flimsy, like they're not slipping off or anything like that. They fit amazing, they fit like a glove, which is amazing. The leather is very soft to the touch. It feels very soft, it feels very sturdy. It doesn't feel cheap. It doesn't feel plasticky. It doesn't feel like cheaply, poorly made. It's made very, very well. The stitching on there is just amazing. It feels great. It feels very smooth. It doesn't feel like as if it's coming off, like none of the threads. It doesn't feel like it's cheaply done. Like it's great. There you go. You can see all the stitching around the sides here. I don't know if the camera will pick it up, but there you can see the stitching here going around here, and the stitching around this bit here going around here. There, you can see that there. All this bit here. Stitching here where the laces are, around here. On the side here of the shoe here. The stitching around the top here of the shoe on this bit. And on the other side too. Now you got these two holes here. I don't know what they're called. These maybe allows air to go in the shoe while you're wearing them, maybe, I presume. On the top of the shoe, you got the laces, which are perfectly done. The laces feel great. They just feel like normal laces. They feel great. They feel very soft, very smooth, nicely made. It doesn't feel cheap. It doesn't feel as if it's gonna, break or anything, or have any holes in it or anything like that. It's amazing, the laces. And the laces are also in white to match the color of the shoe. At the back of the shoe here, you have your flap or tab. So I think when you're putting on the shoe, you grab it here, and then you can lift it and put it up. Now inside the shoe, you have your Christian Louboutin Paris logo stamping, which is in gold, right here. And inside the shoe, you have your kind of like a brownish lining, I would say. And at the back of the shoe, you have the world famous red sole, which has Louboutin actually like engraved into the red sole here. You can see that. And the red sole is very, very shiny too, as you can see. It looks absolutely amazing. And at the back, in the middle of the red sole, you have Christian Louboutin. It's the actual logo, which is like, it's like carved into the leather here. I don't know if the camera will pick it up, but it's around here. And inside the shoe, you have your typical paper. And then inside you can see that wonderful lining there. These look, they're just amazing. They're absolutely amazing. I've always wanted a pair of these, and just and to find them on DHgate, and I bought 2 pairs. I paid £97 for them, for both pairs, for the white and the black. And yeah, they just look brilliant. They look amazing. That's both of them side by side. Amazing. I absolutely love DHgate. I've bought loads of items from them before in the past, and these are my first ever pair of Louboutin, and yeah, I can't wait to wear them out. As I said, I got the black pair coming soon. They should be with me, and I think in the next few days' time, which would be amazing. And another thing I wanted to show you was, in the box it actually has a receipt. Can you believe that? And it's 24 Rue Francois, Paris, and amount paid 6,800 Hong Kong dollars. And it's amazing how they actually made this, how they made the receipt. But yeah, absolutely brilliant. Let me know if you're gonna buy any pair of Christian Louboutin, whether it's these ones or whether it's different versions or any different designs of Christian Louboutin. To me, they are the best, like, luxury designer shoe, I would say. And the company started in 1991, I believe, and then the red sole came out in 1992. So it's quite a young company. How the red sole started was like Christian Louboutin. I think he was designing a shoe or something, and then one of his employees, she was painting her nails red, and then he grabbed the red nail polish off her, and then he painted the back of one of his shoes that he was working on. He painted the back of it, and he was like, oh my god, like, that is what was missing, which was the red sole at the back of the shoe. And yeah, and it's been around since then, since 1992, and it's completely taken the whole luxury high-end world, by storm. And it's famous with loads of celebrities that wear these, loads of, yeah, and on the runways, London Fashion Week and all that, all the models, I think they wear these to red carpet events, celebrity events, all these different celebrities wear red bottom Louboutins. And yeah, I love it. It's amazing. So yeah, I'm gonna leave it here today. Let me know what you think of these. Do you like these shoes? Would you buy these? Yeah. Yeah, don't forget, yes, please subscribe to the channel, comment, subscribe, like. It really helps me out. Yeah, as I said, I haven't uploaded for a long time. I ain't really had the time to, but I thought today, I'm gonna make a video today. I'm gonna be more consistent with doing YouTube now. So yeah, cool. Okay, Yeah, right. I will see you next in my next video, which will be unboxing of the black pair of these, which will be in the next couple of days time. So thank you for watching today. So whatever you're doing today, please have a nice day today, and yeah, thank you, take care, bye.